You are not lazy and you are not inconsistent. Your brain is simply hooked on dopamine, and we have to change that. Dopamine nowadays is quickly labeled as the pleasure chemical, but in fact it goes much deeper than that. Because it goes all the way back to the times when we were still hunters and gatherers, and dopamine was the much needed fuel for desire, motivation and drive. Back then humans needed dopamine in order to stay motivated to go hunting, to build shelter, to reproduce and so on. Now, how dopamine works is that it's constantly produced in our bodies at a baseline level, and it gradually increases over time while we're in the pursuit of very heavy, hard and difficult things to do. Now TikTok was able to hijack that reward feeling and make our brains produce a lot of dopamine without actually doing hard work. You immediately met with bright colors, new sounds, constant novelty, and that basically overloads our brain. But the problem with that is that our brains are not used to high dopamine spikes, which means that we crash out afterwards. And the lower your base dopamine line gets over time, the more you feel unmotivated, tired and distracted. So go watch the full video below to get 3 tips on how to control your dopamine level and how that will actually make you gain back control of your life.